In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Chrome notifications. If you've been getting pop-ups from websites in Google Chrome and want a quieter browsing experience, this process is very simple and only takes a moment. Turning off notifications can help reduce distractions, especially if a lot of sites have asked for permission to send alerts. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're on the main browser window so you can access Chrome's settings menu without any confusion. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots. This opens the main Chrome menu where you'll find access to a variety of browser options and settings. From that drop-down menu, click Settings. This will take you to the Chrome settings page where you can adjust privacy, security, appearance, and other browser behaviors. If you've never visited this area before, don't worry, everything is organized into categories. On the left-hand sidebar, click Privacy and Security. This section controls many of the permissions and protections Chrome uses while you browse. It's also where notification settings are managed, since notifications are considered a site permission. Next, select Site Settings. This page lets you control what websites are allowed to do, such as using your camera, microphone, location, and of course, sending notifications. Now scroll down until you reach the permissions section, then click Notifications. This is the specific area where Chrome manages notification requests and delivery from websites. If websites have been asking to send updates, messages, or promotional alerts, this is where you can stop that behavior. Under Default Behavior, select Don't allow sites to send notifications. Once you choose this option, Chrome will stop websites from requesting permission to send notifications in the future, and that can make your browsing feel much cleaner and less disruptive. This setting is especially useful if you're tired of seeing permission prompts or receiving alerts from sites you no longer want to hear from. It's a quick privacy and productivity improvement that many people overlook. And that's it. You've successfully turned off Chrome notifications. If you ever want to reverse this later, you can return to the same notification settings page and change the default behavior back. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.